It's Sneaker Week at Adidas Philippines and you can get up to 35% off if you buy 2 or more footwear. Make sure to check out the link down below to avail their discounted prices. This promo runs from May 12 until May 16.
So, basically, gusto ko lang mag-start with dividend investing. Pero I have zero stocks knowledge talaga.
Okay.
So far I've been watching videos sa YouTube and doing a little research on the side. Medyo nalilito kasi ako na I saw a video na it says dividend investing is parang very passive siya in the sense na every quarter mo lang kailangan bantayan yung buying ng stocks mo.
Yeah.
And then there are also other concepts na narinig ko na peso cost averaging every month naman. And then there's also preferred stocks, which is sounds like similar but parang hindi ko rin alam if kasi stocks is all stocks, diba? You just have to know which one. So medyo feel ko na overload ako. So when I saw na there was a way na to talk to somebody, tinry ko na lang din.
Okay. So siguro tas never ka pa like nakabili ng kahit isang stock, right?
Very, very little exposure. Like siguro a few years back, hindi pa ako talaga marunong. May nag-ano lang sa akin ng mutual funds.
Okay.
I think it was parang PhilAm or something. Siyempre, yung first time ko mag-invest, binantayan ko siya ng binantayan, which parang mali, di ba? Kasi parang every month nakikita mo, bumababa, ganyan. So eventually, parang nawalan ako ng gana. Pinull out ko na lang kung parang yung capital ko nandun pa rin, pinull out ko na siya. So wala akong kinita.
Okay. And gaano katagal yun sa mutual fund?
Siguro a year plus ganyan.
Okay. Well, sa mutual fund kasi, since meron siyang like fund manager, mas like pwedeng passive lang din doon. And then, ang downside lang talaga niya is medyo mataas yung fees. So, like, yung kinikita mo, lalo na pag maliit lang na percentage, kakainin lang nung fees. So, it's like personally para sa akin, it's much better to like invest na lang sa ETF. US ETF kasi medyo pangit yung ETF natin dito sa Philippines. Then, if local stocks, you can go for blue chips na dividend paying. And then, kung talagang sobrang conservative mo na investor, you can go for preferred stocks. Kasi yung preferred stocks, lang siya. Para siyang, familiar ka ba sa bonds? Yes. Government bonds yan. Yeah. Para siyang combination ng common stocks and ng bonds. Kasi yung common stocks...
The difference lang is the bonds utang nila sa'yo. Ang preferred stocks, dividends ang binabayad sa'yo.
Yep. So consistent din yung dividends sila dito sa Philippine stock market. Common is like quarterly sila nagbibigay. Pero may ibang stocks and may ibang preferred stocks na biannually naman nagbibigay. Pero almost same lang yung average dividend yield nila is between 6% to 8%. Then yung net mo is like 7% after 10% na dividend tax. So, yun yung maganda sa dividend sa Philippines. 10% lang yung tax rate. Like, fixed siya. After that, wala ka na kailangan ibang bayaran.
So, kahit saan ka, kahit anong broker ka, 10% siya.
And then, isa pa dun, hindi mo na kailangan mag-file ng So, diba, yung iba capital gains tax, yung file mo pa. Hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun. So, i-deduct na nila yung tax before pa ma-deposit sa account mo. Same thing kapag nagbenta ka ng stocks dito sa Philippines. Like for example, nag-gain ka ng 10,000 pesos sa isang trade. Dideduct na nila yung sales tax doon. Hindi mo na kailangan i-file sa income tax return mo na, hey, ito, may capital gains ako. Kasi parang isang incentive yun na binibigay like ng government, ng BIR sa mga local investors na mag-invest din sa local stock market natin.
Okay. Kasi I wanna start small. Inisip ko, maglalaro ako siguro 100K.
Okay. Actually,
If
that's
ganun
big na.
ang, that's big.
Yeah. I mean,
Kasi,
for a person who's gonna start. Well, kung ano naman, kung para sa'yo that's small, then yeah, that's fine.
I mean, small in the sense of, because I know, like, stock guys talk about this in the millions, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, feel ko, like, relatively speaking to that, 100K, kahit na malaki siya, generally, parang maliit siya
Yeah,
to
and
start with.
that's true, that's true. Yeah, I get it. Pero yeah, if you're
Uh,
comfortable naman na na yung 100k invest mo, and make sure lang na you don't need it in the next couple of years. Kasi doon mo talaga makikita yung benefit nung investing sa stocks. Kasi consistent na cash flow siya, and then nagko-compound yung interest kasi lahat nung kikitain mo na dividends is re-reinvest mo lang ulit, no?
okay, a question about that. So, syempre nag-payout siya, di ba? So, may dividends ka na.
Mhm.
Does it, parang papasok ba siya as amount in your account, or parang nandun na siya when you say reinvest, meaning pera pa pupunta sa'yo, then
Yes,
papasukin mo ulit.
pera naman siya babalik sa'yo. Like for example, yung 100k mo, like nagkaroon siya ng dividend, sabihin natin 5%. So that's 5,000 pesos. Less yung 10% na tax. So 4 or 5 yung makukuha mo. Yun yung madideposit. And then it's up to you kung ano yung bibilin mong stocks na susunod. Pwedeng
Okay.
reinvest mo dun sa company na nagbigay sa'yo ng dividends. Pwedeng bumili ka ng ibang stock na mas nagustuhan mo. Pero for starters siguro, you can focus on 5 lang. 5 stocks.
So, for starting na 100K, pwede na siyang, it's big enough to diversify into 5 stocks.
And you can focus din sa blue chip stocks. Like listed siya sa PSEI kasi karamihan naman actually halos lahat ng PSEI companies nagbibigay sila ng dividends. Nagva-vary lang talaga yung rate nila, yung dividend yield. So
Paano kasi you always say yung like, 'di ba, iniisa-isa natin yung dividend rate, dividend yield, tapos kailan siya yung history of payouts niya, ganyan. Like kung aaralin ko siya, paano ko mahahanap yung mga information na yun?
you can refer to PSE Edge, andun yung financials, and then yung announcement ng dividends. Then ano ba yung broker mo? Do you have BPI Trade?
Wala. I'm looking at that and COL, pero hindi pa ako gumagalaw.
Sa Call Financial, I think you won't be able to apply kasi naka-freeze yung application nila since medyo nag-surge yung applicants. So, pinaprocess muna nila yun before sila mag-open ulit. But you can still try. Pero yung ginagamit ko kasi broker is BPay Trade talaga mainly. Like, backup ko lang yung Call Financial. So, doon ko rin kinukuha yung history ng dividends ng mga companies or ng stocks na binibili ko. So, doon yung 5-year history nila. Kung kailan sila nagbigay, then ano yung X-date, kailan sila usually nag-a-announce. But yeah, you can access it din naman sa PSE Edge.
Within the service, meron na yan.
Yeah. Part yun ng research nila.
Okay, so same lang pala. Kasi wala akong masyadong nakikitang nag-promote ng BPI Trade. Usually, sa YouTube nakikita ko naka-Call Financial sila lahat. So I thought yun yung okay.
Sa Call Financial kasi, I think yung mas maganda lang is yung charts. And hindi ko naman yun masyadong ginagamit since hindi naman ako trader.
Okay. Another question, for, let's say, yun nga, 100K is big enough to diversify into 5 stocks, diba? Pero, is that, kunwari, 100K, ibig sabihin, lahat yung isang bagsakan na, or every quarter parang parang peso cost average ko pa rin siya?
Well, if you can shell out yung 100k agad, I think you can buy na agad. Para at least yung next dividend payments is makukuha mo na agad. Like for example, PLDT and Globe. Like kasi yung Globe, quarterly sila nagbibigay. So isang beses pa na sila nagbigay this year. So may 3 pa. So if you buy Globe agad now, then you can receive the other 3 payments. Then PLDT twice a year usually. Then minsan may special. So minsan 3 times a year.
Okay. May mga, okay, since wala akong alam sa mga ano, ang ginawa ko talaga ngayon as parang part of studying is nakikinig ako sa like people like you, like Marvin Guillermo, Angel Johnson, and Salve.
Mhm.
Tinitingnan ko yung mga na-mention nilang stocks, not necessarily their picks. Pero parang when they talk about a stock, parang nililista ko siya, tinatali ko. So, yun lang yung extent ng research ko, which is very, Pero dahil wala pang ako alam, that's how I process it ngayon. Can I share these picks or parang,
Yep,
kasi
sure.
diba you don't mention your,
Yeah, sure. Okay lang.
ang pinaka na top 3 na mention across my is PLDT, Globe, and DMC.
Yeah, those are
And
good
then,
stocks. Meron ako lahat nun except Globe.
bakit walang Globe?
Mas dapat kasi bibili din ako ng Globe kasi parang nag-peak siya 2.4k last year, late last year. And then ngayon bumaba siya. Nag-steady na lang siya 1.8k. So, I think medyo undervalued siya ngayon. However, mas maganda kasi yung income ng PLDT last year compared sa Globe. Although, this first quarter ng 2021, mas medyo gumanda din yung financial performance ng Globe. So, yun. Tsaka I think mas kasi mas broader yung reach ng PLDT. Kasi like syempre may mga subsidiary sila like Smart, and then meron din silang Wired, and then yung DSL and Fiber.
Tsaka Fiber, oo.
But si Globe is like mas malaki siyang player. So yung parang main competitor niya is Smart. Like si PLDT, like siya. Parang major player siya dun sa dun sa dalawang realm din or sa dalawang industry na yun. Which is yung yung line or like wired na broadband, and then yung wireless, which is yung smart na. But yeah, I think okay din na kunin si Globe since ako nga yun, I considered buying din since medyo mababa yung price niya currently. Actually, lahat ng stocks medyo mababa.
Like the honorable mentions are GMA7. Medyo alanganin ako dun kasi ako mismo hindi na ako masyado nanood ng TV. Although parang pag narinig ko kasi parang ang ganda ng payout niya.
Yeah.
Pero parang
this year 15% yung yield. Well, ako lang personal view or opinion. I think matagal pa yung runway ng GMA7. Although 'di ba meron tayong YouTube, may Netflix and all that. I think that's like I don't know, siguro 10% lang ng population ng Philippines.
Kasi, pero on the other hand, kasi mag-election, baka malaki rin kita nila.
Yeah, isa pa yun. Yun pa yung isa ko rin consider. Kaya medyo in-increase ko rin yung position ko with GMA7. Kasi, like, election, yun yung pinakamalaking like year nila sa contract, sa ads. Since, yun nga, syempre, maraming tatakbo. Lalo na next year kasi presidential. So, it's like a bigger election compared nung, kailan ba yung last? 2019? Yung sa senatorial race lang.
Ang usually narinig ko pa, yung SPC and Meralco, saka A-rate. Yung A-rate medyo naintindihan ko siya. Why it's good. Di ako masyado familiar sa SPC, pero parang maraming sasabing okay siya.
Yeah, energy energy company. Meron din ako ng SPC actually. Ngayon nagpipeak na yung prices niya around I think 10 pesos. Nabili ko siya 2019 pa, parang 6 pesos lang. And yeah, medyo bago pa lang din ako. So yeah, and maganda rin siya kasi they're like switching to green energy na. So medyo naging sustainable compared dun sa Semirara SEC, which is like coal.
Semirara sila rin yun, di ba?
DMC yung Semirara. Subsidiary siya.
DMC ka, di mo na kailangan bumili ng Semirara or separate.
Actually ako both meron ako. Meron akong Semirara, meron din akong DMC. Kasi pareho naman sila nagbibigay ng dividend. So, I think win-win kung meron ka both.
So ngayon, okay, ililimit ka sarili ka sa 5 picks, di ba? May sense ba na nag-PLDT and Globe ako? Medyo same industry sila eh.
Yep. yeah, pwede naman. At least parang pwede ka mag-fallback dun sa isa. Kung if ever, well, I think di naman sila mag-fail. Pero if ever lang, na magkaroon ng bad year or bad years yung isang company, at least meron kang isang hawak na, siya yung parang magiging industry leader. Isa rin pala yung sa competitive advantage ng GME7. Like, kinuha niya yung malaking chunk ng market share. Kasi nawala yung ABS-CBN. Although, most likely, pag we have a new president na most likely ma-reinstate yun. But, I mean, like, almost 50-50 naman palagi yung ABS-CBN and GME7. And yun nga, siguro, matagal pa talaga yung runway ng GME7. Like, it would take years pa or decades bago like mag-cease to exist yung yung traditional na media.
Saka dun sa local feed ko ng Google News, usually may mga nakita ka na artista just signed GME. Maraming lumilipat din.
And tsaka yun talaga, parang kasi, naging part na ng tradition or culture ng Filipino. Yung like GME7 and ABS-CBN, right? So, it's a bit hard to parang mawala siya bigla sa picture. And also, they're transitioning din naman sa like paid. Yung parang similar din, streaming service ng Netflix, di ba? Then they also have their social media, may YouTube na rin sila. So, I think they're gonna stick around for a while.
Yeah. How about yung mga banks? Are they any good?
Banks?
Within the banks na mention, I think ikaw nag-mention PS Bank.
Yeah, PS Bank. Meron ako dati but I sold it to buy GME7. But if ngayon, papiliin ako, I will still buy PS Bank. Although medyo mataas na yung price niya currently. I think nasa 60 plus na. And yung isa is
parang
BDO.
Siya pinakamahal yata eh.
Yeah. I think BDO is good as well.
BDO.
Yeah.
Yeah, BDO parang ang laki ng nakita kong article, parang they earned in the billions this pandemic.
Yeah. Although down din ng konti, but yeah, understandable naman yun kasi like merong mga yung mga nag-default ng payment sila ng loan and all that. Kasi nga maraming nawala ng trabaho and medyo nag-shutdown yung economy natin. So, yeah, that's just normal.
Can I ask you about you mentioned binenta mo yung PS Bank mo ba? What's the decision behind that? Kasi I was under the impression na pag dividend investing, parang buy and hold ka lang.
Yeah,
so when do you decide na sell na lang and buy something else?
I sold it kasi maliit lang din yung position ko. And then like almost na doble na yung yung capital ko. And then naka-receive na rin naman ako ng I think almost 1 year worth of dividends. And yun nga, a better opportunity arised, which is in GME7. That's why I sold it. So I needed the capital.
Magandang payout kasama ka dun.
Mm-hmm.
So between common and preferred stocks, you would prefer common pa rin?
Yeah.
Kasi capital appreciation.
Yep. The old me will tell you na I would buy preferred stocks, but nagbago yung isip ko nung nabasa ko yung libro ni Benjamin Graham, which is mentor ni Warren Buffett. Kasi preferred stocks is like talaga. Yun, parang bonds nga lang or common stock. So, parang mas okay if like mag-bonds ka na lang or mag-common stock ka na lang. And yung sa common stock nga kasi, you won't really buy a company na dahil lang mataas yung dividend yield. You will buy a company kasi sa tingin mo, magiging consistent yung dividend yield na yun. And they will keep making the same amount of money every single year. Kasi hindi naman sila makapagbigay ng dividends if they're not making money. If hindi sila kumikita.
Is it reckless to say na kasi preferred stocks is more safe, di ba? In the event na parang
safer.
May mangyari, you get paid first after bonds.
Mm-hmm.
Pero is it reckless to say na parang the companies I'm picking are parang mukhang di na mamamatay, so I'll just go common, not go preferred?
Yeah. I mean that's fair kasi yung mga blue chip stocks, I think I don't know, I'm not sure kung paano sila like malulugi or like mababankrupt or like mawawala sa picture ng ng sa economy ng Philippines, since, they're all big businesses, and kumbaga medyo essential nga rin sila, di ba? Like PLDT, right? Ang dami nilang pinaprovide ng contracts ng internet. Same with Globe, di ba? And under PLDT rin yung Smart. So yeah, yung wireless communications din natin, like sa kanila nagre-rely. So if they cease to exist, then I don't know kung paano tayo like, magko-communicate. And
just making sure kasi baka meron akong insight na wala na parang obvious pala to you guys. Tapos I looked at yung recommendation mo of SMC2C. Parang next year na yata yung niya, call date niya.
Actually, so parang, hindi. 2019 pa siya callable. However, 2022, if hindi nila i-call like by the end of this year, they will step up the dividend rate. So, kasi, nag-start yun 8% talaga. Kasi 75 pesos lang siya per share nung na-issue back in 2012. So, by 2022, pag hindi nila ni-redeem yung lahat ng shares na yun, pag hindi nila binayback, they will step up. I think, I'm not sure, 1.5%, 2%. Yung isa-step up ng
rate. Is it still worth it na Kasi syempre, di natin alam, parang pag na-callback siya next year, sayang naman yung nilagay mo.
I think okay pa din naman. Yun lang pala, hindi mo masa-search yung preferred stock sa what do you call this? Sa PSE Edge. Masa-search mo lang siya sa broker na mismo. Well, currently, hindi pala siya ganun kaganda. Medyo mataas yung presyo. 79.90 siya. So, for example, sabihin natin 1,000 shares yung bilhin mo. So, that's around almost 80k na. Then, pag ni-recall siya, 75k lang yung maninet mo. Kasi, face value lang nila iba-buyback. So, I think mas okay pa rin mag common stocks. Since andun yung capital gain upside, and then, yeah, you're still receiving dividends naman. And on average, 5% yung mga yung mga binibigay ng blue chip stocks like PLDT, Globe. Meralco, I think, bababa ng konti kasi medyo down din yung income nila since karamihan nung big parang payers or like big business nila is wala or hindi nag-ooperate gawa ng pandemic. So, hindi masyado gumagamit ng kuryente.
Pero dapat yung residential aspect naman tumaas din ng usage.
Yeah, tumaas siya ng konti. However, yun nga, yung big businesses, like yun yung like big payers ng ng kuryente. Lalo na yung mga offices. So, yun, nawala yun. So, medyo down talaga sila. Kahit, I think, first quarter ng 2021, down pa rin sila. Ang nag-increase yung income last year, 2020, is PLDT. Because of new contracts. Maraming nag-subscribe.
So, when you're doing dividend investing, how often do you buy?
Ideally, monthly. If like meron kang salary or like meron kang business na you pay yourself every month, I think that's a good habit. And wag mo i-try i-time yung market. Although, yeah, pwede ka mag-aral ng technical analysis. Although, personally, ako hindi ko ginagawa yan. Like, mag-set lang ako ng date kung kailan ako bibili. Kung kailan open yung market. As soon as I get my paycheck, I just buy yung stocks na, for example,
so
down.
Hindi mo na chine-check yung presyo?
Chine-check ko pa rin naman. Like, for example, may hawak ko ngayon, PLDT, SPC, SEC, DMC, and GME7. I'll look at those 5 and then check kung alin ba yung down ako. Like for example, down ako kay PLDT ng 2%. Kay GME7, up ako ng 5%. So, mas pipiliin kong bilhin si PLDT this month kasi down ako eh. So, para ma-average down yung prices ko.
So, pag ganun, when yung initial buy ko, should I parang give more preference to PLDT and Globe dahil sila yung okay? Do I give more percentage of that 100k there or parang pantay-pantay na lang sila?
Pwedeng pantay-pantay lang. But yeah, it's really up to you kung, for example din, kung alin yung down yung prices. But yeah, currently talaga lahat sila down. Kahit
Yeah.
kanina nag-close yung market, medyo pulahan lahat. I think ang green lang is GMA 7. Doon sa watchlist ko.
So far, yun lang naman yung questions ko. Kasi partly I don't know what the right questions to ask are. Kasi very limited yung knowledge ko.
Well, you ask the right questions. Hindi, if like meron kang ibang like other questions along the way, you can always ask me. Comment ka lang or like you can email me then. And yeah, you can always schedule another meeting if gusto mo.
Siguro my next steps is to actually set up the portfolio and invest muna.
Mhm.
And then I'm sure I'll have more questions then.
Yep, sige. I'd be happy
Thank
to
you
help.
so much.
Sige, you're welcome.
Yun lang naman yung sa akin.
Alright.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
Alright, you're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.